Magandang araw, guys! It's breakfast time. Enjoy!
Thank you. Kain.
Tingnan natin anong ginagawa nito nila sa bakasyon, be. Oh my gosh, what are you playing? Grabe yun. Uy, hiningal naman ako, guys. Umakyat lang ako ng third floor. Bakit man yan? Mag-walking na ako ulit, uy. Simula nung pagbalik ko dito, hindi pa ulit ako nag-walking, guys. Manood na muna ako ng encounter, ha? Kay ang nanay, ang gawin sa bakasyon ito. With K-drama. Mga damit po ito ni Nathan. Nilabhan ko nung isang araw. Perfect. You need to poop outside, you mean? Ngek. Maglaro daw siya sa labas kaya it's nice weather, mama daw sabi niya. Look if there's a lot of spider web. Wow, that's not how you ask. Okay. Nagkamuritsing pa yung mga ano dyan, guys. Oh.
Mama?
Yes.
This a football?
Enjoy! Gabla siguro tayo, guys. Kay bakasyon man, no? Pangit din. Magsigi na lang tayo. Pulong dito sa bahay. Magdala tayo ng saging. Puntahan natin yung zoo kay malapit na. Nanganganib na talaga, guys. 2 days na lang. Ma-expire na yung 1 year subscription namin doon. Sayang naman, no? Siguro sa isang taon nakapunta kami doon ng mga sabihin natin mga lagpas 30 times. Hindi na sayang. Kasi kung magpunta ka lang doon, nasa mga 20 euros ang ano eh. Pag dyan, entrance. Tapos yung nabayaran namin parang nasa mga 70 euros each or 60. Hindi pala kami nagbayad nung si Bianan pala. Yun yung birthday gift niya kay Daniel last year. Got a surprise for you.
What is it?
Let's bring your walking bike. Your low fits.
Yay!
Get it. Dali. Sensyahan nyo na yung garage namin, guys. Ano na itsura niyan, oh. Careful.
Yeah, I will
Does Papa need to put it higher? I think so.
go.
No?
Yeah.
Normal ang kabisi, guys. Munti kaming hindi makapag-park. We say goodbye to the fish, baby love, because this is the last day that we go here. So, say goodbye.
Bye.
High five. Bye, fish. And the crab. Say goodbye to the crab. Bukas daw ang last day na pwede kami pumunta, pero bukas hindi na tayo magbalik dito, no? Goodbye to the frog, then.
Where is the frog?
Where's the frog? Ay, there. Scholar blue. Bye, frog. Maybe see you in 2 years. Bye, frog. Funny. Ano? Tingnan niyo yung frog doon, color yellow naman. What's funny about the frog? What is he doing? Show me. Okay. Now you're happy. Kanina sa sasakyan, kasakit ang ulo namin sa kanya. Kaya hindi makinig.
Wow, they're going slowly and then they're going up. Is this sleeping?
Hindi namin dinala yung kanyang, ano yan, yung walking bike. Kay grabe ka busy ngayon, guys. Baka mainis ang mga tao gamitin niya yun dito.
My crocodile.
But look, in the water. One crocodile, big crocodile in the water. Waiting for the fish to come to his mouth.
Why?
Because he's hungry.
Ha.
You're saying goodbye to everyone, baby love. Kanina ba siya babay ng babay sa mga animals? Grabe ang amoy dito eh. Halo-halo ba? Amoy ng kilikili. Are you saying goodbye to the flamingo also? Bye, flamingos. See you in 2 years maybe. Mga natutulog na flamingos doon, guys. Oh. What did you say?
Let's go say bye to the playground.
Of course, we will do that later. And to the monkeys, huh? Because I love monkeys.
And
That's my sisters and brothers, the monkeys.
I
You have your own little monkey walking right there.
Where? No, Papa is saying you are monkey. Ngek. Let's go to the beach.
Bye.
Because you are a monkey.
No.
Oh. There's a Lego monkey here. Come here. There. There's a monkey. Here. You don't see? There.
And what do they say?
Nothing. Waarom dronken veel piraten rum? A. Dat bleef langer goed dan water. B. Ze dachten dat alcohol gezond voor ze was. C. Ze dachten dat dit geluk bracht.
See?
C.
Say.
C.
Say.
C. A, B of C.
Say. Oh, nee. Nee. It's A.
A is dat bleef langer goed dan water.
Yeah, that is
Is that right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, very good. High five.
Because fresh water, no stuff starts to grow in it when you.
Wow, you're so good, huh? You
It's,
answered
it's
it
not like
correctly.
today that if you have fresh water in a bottle, that will just stay good forever.
Ah.
Put fresh water in a ton, and then you need to hope that no bacteria will grow like that.
Siyempre, nagbaon tayo. Meron tayong tinapay at mga biskwit. Yan na ang lunch nila, guys. Nagtinapay na kasi siya sa sasakyan. Show us what you're eating, bebe. Oh, biscuit with fruits inside. Busy masyado dito, guys, pero hindi ko na kinukunan yung mga tao, no. Pangit din. Damayin pa natin sila sa pera-pera natin. Waarom droegen veel piraten een gouden oorring? A. Dat vonden ze stoer. B. Dat was verplicht aan boord. Of C. Daarmee konden ze hun begrafenis betalen.
What is it?
A, B of C?
Say.
C, zegt papa.
Say of A. Of say.
C, papa zegt.
Say.
Ja,
En
Wat
jij?
C ook. But look, this is my favorite place here, guys. Ayan. Yan ang makikita natin dito. But where?
There.
Where are they? Here, baby love. They're here. Hello. They're inside man. Uy. Dati maglakad-lakad lang yan sila dito, guys. Dito ba sa labas? Makihalubilo.
There is a lot of Lego here.
Yeah, I told you. Ayaw nila makipag-socialize for today's vlog, guys. Ayaw nila magpera-pera. Wag na din daw natin silang damayin sa papera-pera natin. Kaya na doon talaga sila sa loob. Let's look for the seal. Ngayon, ikutin talaga namin to, guys.
Seal.
Ay, madalas magpunta kami sa mga ano lang.
Seal.
A seal is a sound. They're here. In the water. Madalas kasi pag pumunta kami dito, doon lang kami sa playground, di namin talaga ikutin. Ano lang, 2 animals ang makita namin. Alam nyo ba, pumunta din kami ni Mr. dito ni Daniel nung wala pa po si Nathan. Nag-date kami dito, 2. Flamingos. Nang mas malapitan. What do you want? Agoy, mag-boating. Ay, 3 pala ang boat nila. Ay, meron man, oh. Pwede tayo mag-boating, guys. Oh, enjoying the weather.
Look at green one, Mama.
Yes, the green one, you're right.
And the red one.
And the red one also.
And the boat.
Yes. Are you enjoying? Oh, Papa can do it so good. Wow, I'm proud. Are you? Oh, be careful, man. Oh, oh, Oo. Oo. Wow! Malaki din ito siya guys, tingnan nyo. Magpa 360 tayo. Diba? Enjoyin na natin ito. Ay bukas ang last. Are we still going here tomorrow, baby love? Baka isumpa na tayo ng mga ano natin, ng mga subscriber. Balik-balik na lang dito. Ay, look, kangaroo! There's a kangaroo! There! Wow!
Bravo, my PT2B.
You like it, bebe? Can you look here? So I can take a picture of you and Papa for the memories? Look here first. 3, 2, 1.
Happy memories.
What was that?
Memories.
Happy memories. Ewan ko lang, depende siguro sa mister. Pero si Dan hindi siya mahilig mag-picture-picture sa amin. Ako ang mahilig mag-picture-picture sa kanila. Pero wait lang, kay memories. Happy memories ito. Kaya madalas silang palagi may picture kami ni Nathan, puro selfie. At saka yung sa ano, sa mga vlog na screenshot ko. Oh, happy memories, you say.
Happy memories.
This is nice. Wow, Nathan can sail the boat so good. I love it.
Row.
I rode the boat. What is sailing then?
With the sail.
Ay, grabe ko na talaga naman. Uy, mabasta naman tayo ba? Mabasta naman tayo nito. Wow, Nathan can do it so good, people. Look, guys. I love it. Super nice memories for them. Tayo, kailan tayo mapicturean nito. Pero pag mag-ano ako sa kanya, picturean mo nga kami. Picturean niya kami, pero yung kusa nga, wala eh. Yeah, look at all the boats. Oh. Yeah. Wow, with all the boats out there. Wow! Happy memories! We're almost there. Stop. You need to stop, Nathan. Stop it. Oh. Honk.
Blijven zitten.
Ay, Diyos ko. Oh, not yet, bebe. Papa first. Dito ang mga kangaroos. Saan tayo galing, oh?
I don't like us.
I
We
don't.
eat them.
Because you eat them? Sabi ko, bakit hindi sila lumalapit sa atin? Look. Kangaroos. You don't eat them? Are you sure?
Why they are not going to us?
I don't know, baby. They're afraid, maybe. There, oh, look. Kangaroo.
Not going to.
Yeah.
Why?
They're afraid. Ingat. Wow. Careful.
Banana.
It's not cold anymore, baby. Because we are here, it was not on the fridge anymore. Ilabas ang saging. Sana all saging. What is the Filipino word of banana, baby love?
Saging.
Saging, very good.
I want the Filipino banana.
I want a Dutch
The ones that are
banana.
very orange looking, not like this. This is white.
I like Dutch banana more because it's more big.
Yeah,
The
that's.
Filipino banana is more tasty.
No, the...
Has more smell. Very smelly.
Hala! Look! Look with the eggs, baby! 1 egg, mahal. That's balot, right?
1 egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, that chicken give us 1 egg ba?
It's not opening yet.
Wow.
It's not opening yet.
Come on.
Yeah, it's not opening yet. May potential man ito, guys. Itong ano na ito, zoo. Hindi nyo lang makita. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag napupunta kami dito, hindi namin iniikot. Ngayon lang namin inikot ulit.
I'm kiting, mahal.
Papa is kiting, bebe.
Kiting. Where's the Philippines?
Where's the Philippines? You memorize the map, mahal?
You don't?
No, I don't. You do?
So you couldn't say where the Philippines are if I didn't point to it?
Even
Where's
one,
the
I don't.
Netherlands?
I also don't. No.
You don't know where the Netherlands are?
Ay. How do you memorize it? Everything you memorize, you know?
No, wait, this is part of France. The Netherlands is more like here. This is not a very detailed map.
Sana all. Let's go, baby. Let's go to the
Okay, then
playground.
let's give me. I'll give you an easy one.
What?
Where is the United States of America?
Even one, mahal. I don't know. I'm sorry. I like that. We're near.
That's Brazil.
Here? Oh, there.
Where's Africa? Where's Italy?
Sana all. Memorize yun din ang map, guys. Bubong-bubo ako sa sarili ko today, ah. Look, meron silang palaruan na bago.
Ah, she's wearing push-up bra.
Push up bra. Yeah, you want to go there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Like,
Take off your shoes, ha? Take off. Not yet there. Enjoy. Yan siya ka-busy, guys. Tingnan yung tao doon. Mga bata sa taas, oh. Kadaming bata. Kaya na muna natin siya mag-enjoy dyan. Ayun ang mister ko, guys. Nagbantay sa anak niya. Now, take off your socks so you can just play. And Papa doesn't need to always carry you.
then I can go?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who is having fun today? Fun, fun, fun.
Me.
Okay. Tahan ko na yung mag-ama ko, guys. Kaya andoon na sila kalay-lay. Tingnan nyo ang dala-dala ko. Tingnan nyo, guys. Diyos ko, kainit, bebe love. Makasunog ng muka. Init-init. Hindi tayo pwede magpainit, guys. Kaya malala pa ito sa Maxipil. Ang mga gamit-gamit natin dyan, makasunog ng muka. Ayun, nakapaan na siya, oh. Maligo na naman yan ulit mamaya. And then the guy will cut you. You mean, you remember? You will sit in the auto later. Just like always. Because you don't want me to cut your hair. That's why we're going to the copper.
The way you say that, and then the guy will cut you. Yeah, he won't cut your hair. He will cut you.
Yeah, we will cut your lubot. We cannot see you. Where are you? Last summer, ang ano po nila dito, yung mga pa-art nila, sand. Na-remember nyo, guys? Ngayon, mga Legos. A pirate. That's a pirate, bebe love. Kapitein Swartbart is an van de meest bekende piraten alle tijden. Grabe na ang init, nangangagat. Lalo na ang ilong ko, bawal mainitan. Mahiya ka din magpayong dito, sa totoo lang. Tawanan ka talaga, magpayong ka ng walang ulan. Sa ulan nga, hindi nga sila magpayong. Ano pa sa init na magpainit talaga. Tingnan nyo sila, saan sila ngayon, oh. Kung saan ang init, nandoon yan sila, guys. Can I use umbrella here, even when, you know, it's not raining?
Well, you can. I mean, everybody will laugh at you, but you can.
Sabi ko sa inyo, pagtawanan tayo. Yan, painit sila, oh. Kahit walang buhok, sunog yung bumbunan niya. You need umbrella to, mahal. You're covering your neck now. It will be burned daw, sabi niya. Masunog. Sabi ko sa 15 degrees, pero ang init, guys, parang 30 degrees. Ano yung, alam niyo yung ano, pag walang hangin, para kang nasa Pinas. Pero pag may hangin, kalamig-lamig, 15 degrees. Ang magandang Christmas. Oy, wag ka dyan, kaya mga kati-kati. Diyos ko, Nathan. Palabas na tayo, guys. Bahala sila, tawanan nila ako maganito-ganito. Ako labot. Bakit mukha nila masunog? Kaya sila din, alam nyo, mabilis sila magka-wrinkles, bata pa. Dati guys, pagdating ko dito, wala pa sinatan. Gaya-gaya ako yan sa kanila. Gaya-gaya ako yan sa kanila na hindi magpayong-payong, magpainit-init. Doon ako nagsimula nagka-wrinkles kasi wala akong alam na kailangan pala gumamit ng sun protection. Naglabasan ng wrinkles ko sa ulo guys.
Get sunscreen.
Yeah, sunscreen. Naglabasan ng ang mga wrinkles ko. Kaya sa kanila mga 20 years old pa lang may mga wrinkles na guys. Kasi nga painit ng painit. Sa atin be, takot be tayo sa init, di ba? Di tayo maglabas kung walang payong.
Tata, what is that?
Christmas tree!
Christmas tree!
Idi wow.
Here, more.
You're
Christmas
making
tree,
fun
Christmas
of
tree.
me, ba? You're making fun of me with the Christmas tree, ba?
What? Papa?
Yeah, you too.
Why?
Hmm?
Red panda in
Oh
the
yeah, red panda.
bowl.
Red panda in the tree. There is the red panda. Bye-bye, Aqua Zoo. We will miss you.
Enjoy your Christmas trees.
Can we also go to the other playground playing?
But not so long, huh? Okay.
Okay, Papa?
Magandang ice cream tree.
Tutura amara ice cream.
Gara food. Again.
Maganda ice cream. Tutura marami ice cream.
Ngek. Lalo na.
Atay CD ice cream.
Ang Tintin ang Christmas tree. The Christmas tree has no Tintin. Hoy.
Magandang Tintin tree.
Wow.
Maganda lubote.
Wow. My family making fun of the song. Doon daw siya nagpaalam. Maglaro din daw siya sa kabilang playground. Palaruin na natin, guys. Kaya hindi na tayo magbalik dito bukas. Uy, kung magbalik kami, hindi na ako mag-vlog. Eh baka magalit kayo ba? Ito na naman makita ninyo. Diyos ko, ayun na siya. Grabe ka busy, guys. Tinapainit sila, oh. Diba? Painit-init sila. Tinitingnan ko ako ng mga tao. Bakit nakaganito ako? They're looking at me, mahal. Why I'm doing this? Bahala kayo dyan. Lakulabot. I don't
Wearing
care.
a coat and then worrying about the sun.
Yeah. Let's go home now because at home you have a big ice cream. And we're getting burned here. Your big ice cream like this big, guys. And Mama will eat it, I think.
Mama, can I play a little
Okay,
bit more?
okay, a little bit more. 2 minutes, 5 minutes more, okay? Now, let's say goodbye to the Aqua Zoo. Bye-bye, Aqua Zoo.
Say in 2 years, maybe.
Yeah, when we get another subscription here again, then we can go back here, okay?
Bye. Next time.
See you next time.
5 years.
We go back here after 5 years? Ngek, that's too long. So, guys,
So guys, today baklubot. Baklubot.
mabaho ang puwet ng guys.